Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Veronica, and today I have a BooHoo haul for you guys, and I'm so excited because it's clothes. Who doesn't love clothes? Anyways, recently I just ordered a bunch of stuff off of BooHoo's website. They were having a 40% off sale, and I still honestly think their 40% is going on right now, and I believe it's off their entire website, so go check them out. They've actually got some really cute things, and I'm going to show you some of them. I don't know if I'm going to do it as a try on haul or just to show you the pieces that I got. If I do, then obviously I will be, excuse me, sorry, that's my husband. Okay, all right. I lost my train of thought. Okay, yeah. If I am going to do it as a try on haul, obviously I'll go ahead and insert pictures of me in the items, but let's just go ahead and get right into the video. So if you love hauls just as much as I do, because I love seeing the items that people pick up so I can see new pieces that maybe I would be interested in, then just keep on watching. All right guys, so I've got two bags here. This one is a very large bag. This one is the smaller bag. Still pretty big in size, but this is what we've got going on today. I definitely did go crazy because, like I said, 40% off. But yeah, so we are going to go ahead, I guess, to start off with the bigger bag. I actually like the bags. They're pretty cute, and it has a handle. So let me just get my scissors and open this bad boy up. Okay, so I'm also going to go ahead and try to link every product in the description box down below. That way, if any of you guys are interested in the items that you see here today, you will be able to find them so much easier. So, which I love when people do that, because trying to look for things sometimes is not that easy, especially on websites like this when they have a lot of things that are very similar and just a lot of products. So first things first, fall is now, and I'm hoping the weather changes fairly soon because I want to dress warm and cozy and just really cute with sweaters and cardigans and boots and just all that good stuff. So I picked up this guy right here. Let me scoot back a little bit. And I actually got these in 3 colors, which obviously I will go ahead and show you guys, but I absolutely love it. I got a size medium because I definitely want it to be oversized and just like really drape. This is that. By the end of the video, I'm pretty sure there's going to be just a mountain of stuff on my desk back here. And if you guys are wondering, this is my cute little portrait of my husband and our son when he was first born. It's from Mapiful. From Mapiful. I do have a code with them. I'll leave that in the link down below. They have such cute little portrait styles that you can go ahead and make your own depending on what vibe and feel you're going for. So definitely check them out. Okay, so like I had mentioned, I did pick these up in some other colors. So I got a cream color, white cream, again, size medium. I really cannot wait to wear these. And a last one, I got a blush color here. So they are very soft, they feel very warm, and it's just gonna look so cute over a dress or a skirt and top or jeans and a top. It'll just go with everything pretty much. So, next up, I got this cute little dress. It kind of not really puffs out at the side, but I guess puffs out at the side. But as you can see right here, this kind of comes out a little bit, but it drapes down. So this is just really cute. It's about mid-length, so it goes to about my calf. And I just really like the color. I love the color mustard. If I didn't mention, that was a size medium, I think. I think most of my items are a medium, just for reference. Yeah, this was a small medium. Okay, next up, this is a tan little turtleneck. I definitely want to go ahead and pair these up with some black pants and some boots. I think it'll look really cute. It feels really warm and I'm just excited. It's a medium as well. So I think it's really cute, really simple, but definitely very fall vibes, especially once you put it all together. You can even put like a little trench coat on top of it just to add some layering and a scarf. Okay, so if you guys don't know, I am an absolute Disney lover. Before this whole pandemic, my son and I used to go multiple times a month. We were our annual pass holders, so I couldn't pass up on some of their Disney items that they had. So I got this little t-shirt. It's just got the little Mickey on the side right here. And this one I actually ended up getting in a large, large, I think a large. And my tops, I do like them a little bit more loose fitting just because I like that look a little bit more. I mean, right now I used to like things that were tight, but after baby, things just don't look the same. So loose fitting tops it is for me right now until I can figure out how to get my body back to what it used to be or something close to it. Okay, again, another Disney item. And this is supposed to be a t-shirt dress. So I did definitely try to get a bigger size because they definitely want it to fit the way that it's supposed to. Got thighs and I've got a butt, so naturally things are going to look a little bit shorter on me, just the same way someone really tall, it's going to look shorter on them than it probably actually is. It's just the way things look. But I am so excited to wear this to Disneyland. When, I don't freaking know, but I have it and it's ready to go for when they open the doors back up and it is safe to go. Okay, so this is the last thing in this bag. Obviously the bag was really big because of these sweaters there, so it took up a lot of room. This is, it says kimono, so it's super long. It's got slits on the side. It's kind of like an orangey rust color. Well, it's a rust color to me. And I really just like this. I think it'll look really cute with some jeans and a top with some boots. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and open up the second bag. We're almost done. I feel like I ordered a lot more than I'm actually showing you guys, which kind of makes me feel a little bit better because kind of makes me feel like I didn't do too much damage. So first up here, I got this green like leopard print skirt. And I think this would look so cute with a black top, even a white top with some boots. Perfect for fall, in my opinion. I love that it's a wraparound dress. Of course, it has got a button right here for the other side, and then you just tie it up. My order was very like specific colors. I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram. If you guys don't, you should. Right now, I'm kind of doing like a color theme. It's definitely very hard versus just putting anything up, but I'm really loving the look of it. I don't know if I'm going to continue it into the new year, but as of right now, I'm really loving the look. So of course, this is partly why I purchased so much, so that I can have outfits to actually go with the color of whatever it is that I'm doing. So this is just a plain t-shirt. It is a green t-shirt. Again, I got it in a large because I do like that oversized t-shirt look. So nothing too crazy with this. Cute with some biker shorts and some tennis shoes. We all know that look. Next up, I've got this other skirt. It's a full length skirt. I feel like I got it a little bit too big, especially since it does stretch, but I think it'll still look good with some cute like little booties and a top. I'm actually really excited for this next one. I don't know why, but it is these green polka dot pants. And they're not full length, they go about to your calf, and I think it'll look so cute with some white booties and a white top. It's got this little tie right here. It definitely has a lot of stretch. So I'm really excited for this. Next up, it's just another tee. It's just an orange tee. Halloween is coming up, so want to get some orange into the month of October. So here is one of my orange shirts, just something really basic, really casual. And even though that look is really just simple, I actually really do like it, especially when you do accessorize it with how you do your makeup and how you do your hair, jewelry. Like, you can really just kind of up the ante on such a casual look. So, t-shirt. Next up, I did get this orange dress. This is a maxi dress, so full length. It is spaghetti strap, but of course you can throw over a jean jacket, a cardigan, anything like that. And it's a very stretchy material. I would most likely put something on underneath, like kind of like some Spanx or something, just because I feel like this material is always kind of a little bit see-through. So you definitely don't want that. So make sure you do, if you get this, just make sure you do have something on underneath, because yeah. All right, last thing. I actually don't think that's too much. I don't know, you tell me, but I'm feeling like it's not as bad as it looked. Last one is this green dress. It's like a hunter green, but it's like a bodycon dress. It doesn't look like one, at least not to me, but that's what the description is. But I think this would be really cute to go ahead and wear for Christmas, even though it's just gonna be here in our house, just us. But you still want to dress for the occasion, so this is most likely what I'm going to be wearing. So that is that. All right, guys, so that is it. That is everything that I picked up from BooHoo. I really don't think I did that bad. I felt like I ordered a lot more, but I don't know, that wasn't too bad. It wasn't a lot of stuff, right? But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely go ahead and check them out. Again, check out the links in the description box down below if you see anything specific you like. That way it is easier for you to go ahead and find and purchase for yourself. I do also have an Amazon storefront, so if you'd like to go ahead and take a look at that, see if there's anything you like there. I do purchase a lot from Amazon for stuff for my home, my baby, everything like that. So definitely take a look there, help your girl out. Definitely make sure you follow me on Instagram. And yeah, I think that is it for today's video. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of what you would like to see next on my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.